This is Jig Workshop Pro, the easiest way to create and share interactive 3D product presentations designed especially for augmented reality. It's simple, powerful, and built to be shared. Jig Workshop Pro takes the technical complexity of 3D tools and makes it simple and available for all to use. No additional AR or VR gear required. Make new jigs in minutes and iterate at speed. You can use Jig Workshop Pro for whatever you put your mind to. From presenting CAD content and stunning augmented reality to win over new clients, to easily creating step-by-step instructions and training material for complex 3D products. All completely enterprise ready with security, management, and custom branding. It's for those in manufacturing, technical leaders, training managers, right through to business development and sales. With Jig Workshop Pro, forget about using costly and complicated products. Simply download the app, upload your 3D content, create your step-by-step presentation, and last, present on your device or share a link to your jig. Jig Workshop Pro works with the devices you already use, across iPhone, iPad, and desktop. So show, don't tell. Make a product demo in 5 minutes, not 5 days. Start a free trial at jig.space today. Jig Workshop Pro, 3D presentations made easy.